Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and share these videos. Leave comments down below. If you're a first-time viewer of this channel, we suggest that you look at my playlist, Crushing Cherries, Collecting Diamonds. We also ask that you look at my most popular video about the truth about Doordash. And that way you can begin to understand some of these things I'm talking about, but also get a chance to look at all of the videos. I got timestamps in them videos to where, if you're not able to digest 20 minutes of that video, you can look at 10 minutes, mark that timestamp right there, and go back to that timestamp and finish looking at the rest of the videos. I put out a community post. Matter of fact, two of them. We're going to deal with one of them. We're going to talk about it in our topic today because I've seen some comments I want to address. Nothing negative, everything positive. Do high customer ratings and acceptance ratings give you higher priority on high value orders? And I have 3 receipts. You can probably see that one there if I put it up close enough. That's one of them. That's 2 out of 5. Okay. 3 out of 5. 4 out of 5. And my status. And we're going to be looking at it in my status. Once you go to the community post, you'll see it in there. I want you to go look at my status. You want to look at the average customer rating, which is 4.85. And you want to look at the acceptance rating, which is 90%. Because DoorDash says that both of them ratings are imperative. When you get an order, let's see, can I pull it up? When you're a diamond driver, top dasher, let's see, can I pull it up? Let's try this. I may have to turn my app on so it'll show. It will show you this right here. You're getting first priority on higher paying orders. Your acceptance rate is 87%, and your customer rating 4.86. Okay. Customer rating and acceptance rate. I got an order right here from a screenshot. You see the original payout offer was $7.75. Well, what they offered me, the miles is 1.9 miles. Took 14 minutes to get there. That was the total payout, $23.75. Notice what it says about the diamond order. High pay orders, your high acceptance rate, and customer ratings gave you priority for this order. There's a lot of negative Nancy's and babbling Bobs saying that it's not true that diamond drivers getting these kind of orders. I show in my community post that I had 5. Ever since I became a diamond driver, I've had hundreds and hundreds of screenshots showing these higher paying orders that I be getting and how much I make per hour and how much at the end of the shift. I will show each order, which were diamond orders. I'm getting the diamond orders back to back to back. Then how many diamond orders that I'm getting per hour and how much I'm making per hour. I've been showing just a sample of my many screenshots of hundreds and hundreds of diamond orders that I've been getting since November last year. I don't want to show all of that information because I don't want people saying that he's bragging and he's arrogant and he's trying to make people feel bad. No. Reason why I show him my receipts is because people out here trying to let you mislead you in believing that you can't get these orders. And then another misleading information that they putting out there, or content that they putting out there, is that you got to accept every lowball offer. We accepting all of the worst offers that's out there. That isn't true as well. Yeah, we do get a chance to get our share of the worst out of the bottom of the barrel. But you can also cherry pick the best out of the worst in the bottom of the barrel. Why would you go to a zone? That's why you got to study your market, study your demographics, because each market is different. Just like in Jackson, Mississippi, we got Howard over there. Closest hotspot is like anywhere between 5 miles to 10 miles. That's a lot of miles. So you're going to have to study them areas and say, look, I don't want to be driving 10 miles to the nearest hotspot. Once I get in that area, I need to find out what cluster of restaurants or power strips that I can maximize my earnings in, as far as lower miles with them low ball offers and all of that. So you got to study your demographics. You got to study your zones and find out which zones are the best for you to get the best low ball offers out of the bottom of the barrel. You're still gonna have to choke some of them up, but you can minimize it. You wouldn't have to go through it like I did. I went through it. That's why it took 10 months, 5 attempts before I became a top dasher and a diamond driver. I cherry picked my way there. And yeah, I ate a lot of them. I ate a lot of bad offers. I ate them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I ate a lot of them because I didn't know what I know now. You see, since I know what I know now, I have shared it with drivers in my area. They didn't have to eat all them crappy offers like I did. Howard will be able to tell his story because I'm going to interview him. And the other 4 drivers in my area, I'm going to interview them. They're going to tell you your story. They're going to tell you what they went through. They're going to tell you their experience. They're going to tell you about them bad orders that they receive and what did they do to reduce the amount of bad orders that they know they got to receive. A lot of drivers, you got to understand, ladies and gentlemen, wanted to do it, try to find a loophole in the system. But what do you mean? I'm going to get 50%. And if I can still get all of these orders and they say I'm getting first priority, I don't need to get at 60%. I don't need to get at 70%. I don't need to get at 80%. I don't need to get at 90%. As long as I'm getting these orders and I got that LOP. Doordash changing, ladies and gentlemen, where those larger payouts, the LOP, will be in them top tiers that I talked about in the videos. Check out my playlist. Crushing cherries, collecting diamonds. That information is there in them 3 videos. And I have other videos that talks about the diamond program and all of that. Check them out. And you're going to see that information in there. So what we try to share with drivers is that you can make this money. If I'm making this money in a smaller metropolitan market, Memphis, Tennessee is smaller than LA, smaller than New York, smaller than Miami, smaller than Atlanta, smaller than Dallas. Do I need to keep on going? Smaller than Phoenix. And if I can make anywhere from $700 to $900 in 40 hours or 45 hours, then it's something that I have learned how to do through trial, error, mistakes, and experience, ladies and gentlemen. Where I had the lack of knowledge, I had to find ways so I can get that knowledge that I didn't have, so I can maximize my earnings and make a profit. And we're going to try to end this. We don't want this video to be too long. We want to share with you. Let's see. I want to share with you. It's probably be better if I go this direction. Back to the community posts. Okay, we're going to go with number one. Number one, I might not be able to pull it up. One, I can't get it up close enough. Then I'm straining with my finger trying to show it to you. There it is. See, it's going back down. Let's try it again. One more time. There's no need in me doing it because when I turn it around, I'm not able to, expand the screen and show it to you. We're going to discuss it to you. We're going to discuss it with you, though. Delivery details, 1.9 miles, 14 minutes, base pay $2.75, peak pay $1. The initial pay offer payout was $7.75. Customer tipped $20, and it was $23.75. And what it says at the bottom of that diamond order, high pay orders, high acceptance rate and customer ratings gave you prior to this order due to your status. Okay, why I was able to get that order. As you can tell, that was a large order. Okay, same thing for number two. It was a large order. You see, I got one for 8 miles. Total power $29.21. You can see it in the community post. You can see how many miles it is, and you can look at how much I'm average per mile. It was over $3 a mile, ladies and gentlemen, for that one. And the other one was over $2.75 a mile. And the other one, which was 11 miles, I made $33.64. $3 a mile, ladies and gentlemen. The next one, 2 miles, $28, over $12 a mile, ladies and gentlemen. And then my ratings, which is right there. So the customer rating and acceptance rating does matter in getting these diamond orders, getting these diamond best payouts. But you got to use the multiple programs that Doordash has given you. The opportunity to maximize your earnings. Pizza program, diamond program, top dasher program, large order program, shop and pay, deliveries, dash along the way, dash now, in your dash anytime. You got to learn how to use all of them features there to maximize your earnings to make this kind of money. I done proved to you that you can make that money. And then I heard people saying, well, man, that's tough. That's very tough. Matter of fact, we're going to read some comments in here. They weren't negative comments, but they were real comments, real concerns about these miles. I showed you. But what did you have to go through first before you got to that level? Like I said, I went through it. I ate shots. I ate a whole lot of shots. You see what I'm saying? But I can show people that they don't have to eat them like I did. You don't have to take 100 bad offers in a row, because I didn't take 100 bad offers in a row. I may have took 100 bad offers, but they weren't in a row. I cherry picked what zones I wanted to get them low ball offers from. And I'm going to say it again. Why would I go to a zone knowing that majority of the low ball offers is 10 miles for $5? Round trip is 20 miles, ladies and gentlemen, just for $5. All right, I'd rather go to a zone that low ball offer is $5 for 2 miles. You know how many of them orders I could do versus the orders that I did? Would it be a reverse order, an upside down order? So it's about the lack of knowledge and decision making. You got to find out where those areas are and discover them areas in your market. That's the reason why I want different drivers in different markets to dash along the way with me. We have our conference call. We talk about the markets. We compare and share ideas and everything that you might come up and say, okay, I know an area because I was over there before. And you can make that money and work your way to this, because a lot of drivers don't realize, they do realize once they have 50% to 60%, it's all them offers coming in is looking good. You're banging, right? Between 60 and 70, you get flooded out with all the worst orders again. A lot of drivers gave up right then and said, man, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to eat this. They didn't find a way. They didn't find a solution to the problem. They didn't go that extra step. They stopped at the hill there. They didn't go beyond the horizons to see what was on the other side. See what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? They didn't take it the next step further. So a lot of you failed right there. Started dogging out the program, talking bad about the program because you had proof to show it, because they are sending them bad offers between 60% to 70%. Now it's up to you to figure out a way to where you can get the best out the bottom of the barrel and still succeed. Now I'm gonna read one or two comments and then I'm gonna get ready and let you go, ladies and gentlemen. Or I tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and do a part 2 to this. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now. We're gonna do a part 2 to this. I don't know what I'm gonna name the title yet, but I will be doing a part 2 because I want to read the comments in the comment section of the community post, and I want to be able to address it. I pretty much did address it in here, but I want to be able to read the comments and then reiterate some things that I said in here, or some things that I may have forgot. Peace, take care. We'll see you in the next video.